Chahi Taret Khuntakpa or 7 years devastation reconsolidation day 2020 was observed today at Shivsagar of Assam. Manipur Kala Sanskrit Vikash Kendra Singhadwar in association with ULASCO Imphal jointly hosted the event. The day also marked the 186th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh of Manipur. The participants paid floral tributes to Maharaj Gambhir Singh on the occasion. During the function, Chinglen Nongden Khomba Award was conferred on Ngathem Prem Babu and Manau Ibungo Meidingu Chingthang Len Pamheba Ningsing Khonga Award on Senjam Samarjit. At the event, Assistant Professor of Rabindranath Tagore University, Samurai Latpam Dizamani Sharma, talked on the life of Maharaj Gambhir Singh and the 7 years devastation. The observants also witnessed cultural program performed by children of Shivsagar and Performing Artists Center, Khurai, Imphal.
After the 7 years devastation, he was the person who united the people outside the Manipur and fight back to the Burmese who was reigning during that time in Manipur for 7 years. And that 7 years period is, in the history of Manipur, it is a very catastrophic day because it was some sort of genocide to the Manipuris, and that led to the settlement of Manipuris outside the Manipur and particularly in Assam. So the days, it is very important to recall those days so that such certain causes of the 7 years devastation need to be understood today, because such days should not be returned back or should not be come again. And very important for the understanding for the present generation as well as for the future generation, so that such days should not become again.
A man was died and another was injured following a major road misstep that took place at Khwairamban area of Bishnupur district today. A report said that the fatal accident happened when a speeding car collided with a Suzuki Access scooter the two were riding on. The deceased has been identified as Mohammad Bothe Khan, aged 21 years of Bishnupur Ward number 2, while the injured was identified as Mohammad Ibomcha, aged 26 years, also from Bishnupur Ward number 2. All Manipur Students Union AMSU Human